And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a transparent background using masking. I've got this image right here, let me call it original. Then I right click and I duplicate the layer. We're going to work with the copy. Now go to color saturation and go down with the saturation to 0. Go to colors again, we need the curves. We'll drag the bottom point to the right side. What we want to keep is everything that's turned black, and we want to get rid of everything that's white. So reposition these points accordingly. Make sure that you don't select too much of the hair. Now go to colors and invert. So now it becomes very obvious what we are going to keep. Go to edit and copy visible. Now let's go to original layer and we'll add a layer mask. I have it set to white, the rest just keep it as it is by default. Now go to edit and paste, and afterwards click on this little anchor icon down here, and now we've got it added as a mask to our original. You can see that in the face it hasn't selected it properly, so you have to use the brush tool and black and white colors to work on that. Make sure that you paint on your layer mask, so not on the original itself. We need to paint on the mask. If you've got white as a foreground color, you can add parts to your selection. You can also use the shortcut X to switch between black and white. If you exceed the face right here at the chin, for example, there's a white part, I don't want to have that, or right here at the teeth. Just zoom in, you can hold Ctrl and use the mouse wheel for that. Then press X to switch to a black foreground color, resize your brush, and then paint over the areas that you want to exclude from your mask, and they will be turned invisible. This method can be used to select hair. In this example it works pretty well. But you have to be careful, you need an image that has high contrast between the background and the model in this case. So whatever you want to keep, it needs to be of high contrast compared to the background. But it's definitely worth a try before you do everything manually, as it's a very quick effect and it delivers good results when you've got that high contrast. There's another area down here on the shoulder. So let me press X to switch to white. Let me create a new layer. I click on this little icon down here on the right side. I use the foreground color, which is white, and I put it one step below our masked original. So as I've said, you need the right image for that, but when you've got it, it's an easy and very quick effect that you can use even to select complex hair. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.